The Logitech G Cloud is finally going black. But why wait for it? There's already a rival handheld that not only looks stunning in transparent black, but also delivers more power, more features, and costs less. Meet the Abxylute One Pro, an Android-powered gaming handheld built for cloud streaming, remote play, and even native Android and retro games. It's sleek, versatile, and ready to challenge the G Cloud on almost every level. Both devices feature a 7-inch, 16:9, 1080p touchscreen display at 60 Hz, but reviews praise the One Pro for better color accuracy and sharper visuals. Add in responsive joysticks, a precise D-pad, and tactile face buttons, and you've got a handheld that feels premium in your hands. Under the hood, the Abxylute One Pro packs a MediaTek Genio 510 processor with 2X Cortex-A78 cores, 4X Cortex-A55 cores, and a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage expandable up to 2 TB, it's more than capable of handling Android gaming and cloud streaming smoothly. The Abxylute One Pro doesn't stop there. Dual speakers, dual microphones, a 6-axis gyroscope, dual Z-axis motors, and a Type-C port with 4K video output make it a powerhouse. Its 5200 mAh battery supports 18-watt fast charging and delivers up to 8 hours of gameplay. And here's the kicker. The Abxylute One Pro is available for $239 directly from Abxylute or $256 on Amazon, considerably cheaper than the $299 Logitech G Cloud. With better display, solid controls, and robust specs, it's clear that the One Pro offers unbeatable value for gamers. So why wait for Logitech's Black G Cloud when the Abxylute One Pro already delivers more for less? Check the links below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons and gaming reviews. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.